Welcome to my channel, Seniors with a Purpose. My name is Idessa Tony, and I am a wife, author, and owner of Seniors with a Purpose, LLC. The videos that I share moving forward will always focus on seniors, but it was brought to my attention that young people are also enjoying them and gleaning knowledge. As I've stated in previous videos, this channel will encourage and showcase the strengths of seniors who remain a vital part of society. Videos that demonstrate the love and involvement of family members for senior relatives will also be shown. Today's video is about seniors who are targeted for scams. Scam artists are very particular about who their targets are, and most often it is unwitting seniors who often trust what scammers present to them. They are specifically targeted because they have more money in the forms of pensions and savings. Financial scams are one of the most heinous of scams because seniors are being robbed of approximately $3 billion yearly. The money they lose can adversely affect their lives, sometimes to the extent that they lose their homes, lose retirement investments, and the money cannot always be replaced. Seniors who suffer from dementia are the most vulnerable. Since this is such an enormous problem, lawmakers and other organizations are taking actions to help educate seniors in hopes of preventing their unknowing complicity in this fraud. On a national level, lawmakers have introduced a bill known as the Senior Fraud Prevention Act, which is designed to help seniors. On a local level, the law prohibits any form of elder financial abuse in Nevada. Since the majority of scams come via a phone call to seniors, when the senior receives a phone call from someone impersonating the Social Security Administration, Medicare, or the IRS, family members are urged to educate them on the different types of scams they may encounter. These agencies will never call you out of the blue to solicit personal information over the phone. Watch out for those bogus emails and pop-up windows on the computer, which could be a virus in disguise. Close all of them as fast as they pop up. Sometimes a call is received from a child or young person pretending to be the senior's relative, and they are crying and asking for money to get out of jail. The senior should be informed to end the call immediately because it is not true. You may be wondering how these potential thieves and liars are so effective sometimes in bilking money from families. In my research, I have learned that scammers are really good at defrauding. They are also excellent sales characters. Their objective is to call with an egregious lie about one of your family members. They usually don't have any information specifically about your loved one, but may ask leading questions such as, do you have a daughter or son? You have one, don't you? In your heightened emotional state, you confirm that you do. Perhaps they inform that your loved one has been in a terrible car accident and is asking you to go to the scene. If your instincts tell you that it isn't true, and you tell them so, you will see the behavior of the potential scammer change. He or she will become abusive, and now they tell another lie informing that they have your loved one and are demanding money for their safe return. Consider what is actually happening, because you are emotionally distraught and your intellect has completely shut down. They have achieved exactly what they aimed for, to have you so upset that you will now send any amount of money that is being demanded to ensure the safety of your loved one. Sometimes the scammers get scammed themselves by smart seniors who do not fall for this crap. Fraud is also being perpetrated on seniors sometimes by caretakers who are experiencing financial and emotional problems. They may steal money from the very person they have been hired to protect and provide care. Sometimes these unscrupulous caretakers deny care so they can maintain control of assets. If family members are not living in close proximity to their senior relative, ask a neighbor to check on your relative by providing unexpected visits to the home, checking for safety, looking at the appearance and needs of the senior. While in the home, the neighbor can also observe and monitor the interaction of the caretaker with the senior. Make a mental note if anything seems to be awry and report it immediately to the authorities, family members, or an adult protective services agency in your state. Sometimes the abuse is perpetrated by family members as well. Elder abuse will be the topic of another video in the future. Please watch for it. Another way to protect the senior is to opt out of mail solicitations and credit card frauds. You can block robocalls and utilize call screening tools from the telephone company. Banks and other financial institutions can send statements or alerts to a designated person who can check for fraud. Financial advisors can also be helpful to the senior by becoming an impartial third party who will watch out for red flags. Please pay attention to your loved ones. There are definite signs of dementia, and as a family member, you are responsible for helping to protect them. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. I also encourage you to head over to my website, seniorswithapurpose.com, for further discussion and participation concerning this topic. Thank you, and may God bless you.